First, open the Start menu or search bar and type PowerShell. Right-click on Windows PowerShell from the search results and select Run as Administrator. Once PowerShell is open, you can check your current version by typing the command $PSVersionTable and pressing Enter. This will display your current PowerShell version. For example, it might show 5.1. To see the available versions of PowerShell, next type Winget, search Microsoft.Powershell and press Enter. The system will begin downloading some files. You'll then see a message asking you to review and agree to the terms before proceeding. The message will explain that the MS Store source requires you to agree to certain terms, including the terms of transaction and the sending of your machine's 2-letter geographic region for the process to work properly. To continue with the installation, simply type Y to accept the terms and press Enter. Now, you'll see a list of available versions, typically 7.4 stable and 7.5 preview. To install the latest version, type Winget install. DAC Microsoft.Powershell. Source Winget and press Enter. This will begin the installation process. It should only take a few moments, and once completed, you'll need to restart your PC to finish the update. If you prefer to install the preview version, 7.5, simply copy the preview ID and use the same installation command with the ID after -id. After following these steps, your PowerShell will begin installing, and you'll find it in Start menu like this one. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.